Question 5. Two machines A and B working together can complete a production lot in 5 hours. If the rate of machine A is doubled, both machines can complete the lot in 4 hours. How many hours can machine A alone complete the job? Okay, we can formulate here two expressions. The rates of machine A and machine B, if we add them, because they work together, they can complete one lot in 5 hours. If we double the rate of machine A, that means 2 times the present rate of machine A, plus machine B, they could complete one lot in 4 hours. So if you just multiply this by -1, right, you just get here minus RA minus RB equals -1/5. Add the two of them. Here you just get 2 over RA plus here just go away 0 and then 1/4 minus 1/5. So this is just 1/20. So if the rate of machine A is 1/20, this means that it does one job in 20 hours. The answer is